what, even at 55 k's an hour, I'm getting buffeted by the wind. Not a pleasant day to be out on the bike, I'll be honest. Riding in wind has never been my favourite thing. Thank you very much, Lee. That's what we call a big boy bike. Oh my word, I couldn't hear myself think for the noise of that thing. The wind is so intense, I don't think it's a good day to be doing a microphone test. I mean, this is worst case scenario conditions. Plus, it's not exactly an exciting ride. I mean, right now, even on a 125, I'm not the slowest thing on the road. But in conditions like this, that's probably not a bad thing. I mean, it is hot and windy. Ugh. But I guess if this microphone does all right in these conditions, then, well, that's a win. This is a great road. I've been up and down it, oh, every single time I've ridden down this way. And you don't often expect, being on a 125, that you're not going to be the slowest thing out there. But I tell you what, even I'm getting frustrated. Oh dear. The problem with this wind is its inconsistency. It's gusty. If you're not paying attention, it'll catch you off guard riding something so light. on this bike, it's a little over 2 hours to get to where I'm going, and my back hurts, my ankles are sore, and I'm looking forward to stopping, to be honest. But then of course I've got to do the whole ride back, which turns out to be a little over 4 hours. And I've said it once and I'll say it again, I like this bike, but I'm looking forward to getting onto something a little bit faster. My God, this wind can get effed. The GoPro, I've noticed, never really picks up the movement of the trees. It kind of just blurs them in. But the fact that we're doing 50 k's an hour and I'm getting a whistle like that should give some indication as to how blustery the weather actually is. And on that bombshell, I'm signing off.